Shankaranarayana Constructions Private Limited, SNC, building the future. Shankaranarayana Constructions Private Limited was founded by an enterprising visionary, Sri Charmaki Narayana Shetty, in the year 1960, with an objective of catering to infrastructural demand of the state and developing nation. In 1963, Sri Shankaranarayana Construction Company marked the beginning on a larger note by bagging the contract of Linganamakki Rockfill Dam and irrigation project. Thus, the journey of a credible and reliable company started with an aim to participate as a key contributor in the nation's development process. The company progressed step by step by diversifying into various sectors such as power, transportation and building construction, and enhanced its turnover year after year to become a 1,000 crore turnover company in the year 2018, an ISO 9001-2015 company with a strong workforce of 1,500 professionally qualified and trained employees, adheres to international and global standards by practicing safety, health and environmental policy. With its headquarters in Bangalore, SNC has a wide range of network spread across the country through several projects being executed in the states of Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Haryana, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Jharkhand, Orissa, West Bengal, Tripura, in the remote Andaman and Nicobar Islands, and our home state Karnataka. The company showcased its capability of executing projects abroad with its projects executed in Malaysia during 1994 for Malaysian Railways. To name a few benchmark projects of SNC, Tidagundi Aqueduct cum Viaduct is a one-of-its-kind project where pre-tensioning technology is used for construction of aqueduct for the first time in India. Each precast U-girder span 30 meters each, weighing 250 metric tons, is erected on piers of an average height of 18 meters above ground level. This is presently the longest aqueduct cum viaduct in India, spanning a length of 12.5 kilometers. This massive project involves 14,000 metric tons of steel embedded in 1 lakh cubic meters of concrete. The project irrigates an area of 25,500 hectares within 30 villages. Construction of tunnel for Upper Bhadra Package 3 at Ajampura. A technically challenging project envisaging 7 kilometers of modified horseshoe-shaped tunnel under differing soil strata with 8.2 meter diameter. The tunnel is constructed by New Austrian tunneling method, popularly known as NATIM, a unique methodology for soft tunneling. It is the longest irrigation tunnel in Karnataka of a diameter of more than 5.5 meters. Tubachi Babaleshwara Lift Irrigation Scheme Phase 2. Tubachi Babaleshwara Lift Irrigation Scheme involves the construction of 22 kilometers MS rising main with surge protection and 15 kilometers MS gravity main of diameter 2.5 meters. 36,000 metric tons of structural steel is used for the construction of the project. Nagarjuna Tail Pond Dam, having reservoir capacity of 7 TMC, involved construction of gravity concrete dam with a bridge of length 650 meters and 45 meters height. 42 numbers precast bridge girders were post-tensioned and erected. 5 lakh cubic meter of temperature-controlled concrete poured in dam under extreme hot weather conditions. Tubachi Babaleshwara West Canal Project. Tubachi Babaleshwara West Canal Project for Karnataka, Neeravari Nigama, envisages the construction of 10 kilometers of aqueduct structure with pre-tensioned precast U-girder troughs weighing 250 metric tons each, 24,000 running meters of piling, 11,000 metric tons of steel embedded in 130,000 cubic meters of concrete. Bellary Thermal Power Plant SNC has been a part during construction of all the 3 units of Bellary Thermal Power Station, constructing mills and bunker bays, TG decks, pump houses, track hoppers, wagon tipplers, underground tunnels, coal handling and ash handling plants. SNC has executed 225,000 cubic meters of concrete, 20,000 metric tons of reinforcement, 60,000 metric tons of structural steel for civil works inside the plant. Aqueduct crossing Don River under Bijapur Main Canal. SNC has constructed 2.4 kilometers length trough aqueduct crossing Don River that was completed in a record time of 11 months. This project involved 14,600 running meters of piling and 10,000 metric tons of steel embedded under 1 lakh cubic meter of concrete. Construction of tunnel at Hosadurga, Upper Bhadra Project, Package 4, modified horseshoe-shaped tunnel of diameter 6.3 meters is being constructed for Vishveshwaraya Jala Nigam for a length of 2.64 kilometers running through dense forests of Janakal. Construction of canal and aqueduct under Mulwad Lift Irrigation Scheme. SNC completed the construction of a new canal of 10 kilometers with 1 kilometer of aqueduct in 15 months, which involved 8.5 lakhs cubic meter of excavation, 13,000 running meter of piling and 70,000 cubic meters of concrete. The project was completed ahead of schedule. Teaching hospital and residential hostels for Jaipur National University. SNC constructed 1,000-bedded teaching hospital, residential hostel and other blocks for Jaipur National University in Rajasthan. Total built-up area of all buildings is 1.1 million square feet, which was completed in a record time of 15 months. Anpara Thermal Power Plant, Uttar Pradesh. The main plant and BOP works of Unit 6 and 7 of Anpara Thermal Power Plant were constructed by SNC with fabrication and erection of 20,000 metric tons of structural steel, 9,000 metric tons of reinforcement and 1 lakh cubic meter of concrete. Palatana Combined Cycle Power Project, Tripura. SNC stepped into the northeast India by construction of Unit 1 and 2 of gas-based combined cycle power plant with 55,000 running meters of piling, 10,000 meters of structural fabrication and erection. Construction of storm water drains, retaining walls in 11 major constituencies of Bengaluru. SNC has contributed its share in controlling floods in Bengaluru city by associating with the BBMP and constructing 40 kilometers of storm water drains along with retaining walls and bridges in 11 major constituencies. 10,000 metric tons of steel embedded in 130,000 cubic meters of concrete for 138 works across densely populated and congested areas of Bengaluru. Gadarwara Super Thermal Power Station. SNC has associated with NTPC for the construction of Gadarwara Super Thermal Power Plant, constructing circulating water pump house, raw water pump house, intake water pump house, make-up water pump house with 20 pumps, stop log gates with trash racks and MS pipeline of length 2.5 kilometers and 4 meter diameter. Jiwargi Branch Canal. Jiwargi Branch Canal construction involved 5.5 lakhs cubic meter of excavation, 4.5 lakh square meter of concrete lining for a stretch of 20 kilometers. The project was completed in a record tenure of 90 days. Narayana Hridayalaya Super Specialty Cardiac Hospital at Bengaluru was constructed by SNC with a total built-up area of 2,45,000 square feet. Construction of Almaty Dam Powerhouse. Almaty Dam Powerhouse was completed by SNC of capacity 290 megawatts ahead of schedule in 2004, which comprised of tail race, switchyard, service bay and penstocks. During 6 decades of relentless dedication, the company has achieved several accolades by executing benchmark projects. The company has developed continuous upgradation of technical capabilities to overcome stiff challenges to emerge as a leader in the industry, and thus has expanded its network of projects including resources. SNC has always given greater importance for ethical values, innovation, creation and vision, while completing more than 50 successful projects across 6 decades. SNC has also shown its commitment towards CSR activities by engaging constantly in philanthropy with an aim to give back to society, thereby contributing to the development of the nation. SNC, an emerging leader in the EPC sector, is striving to build and sustain as a technology-driven, professionally managed enterprise with reputation for reliability, solidarity and unmatched quality to achieve customers' delight. 750,000 hectares of land irrigated, 25 kilometers of aqueducts, 25 kilometers of tunnels for irrigation and transportation sectors, 10,000 megawatts of power generated from hydro, coal and gas-based projects, 25 lakh square feet of buildings constructed in commercial, hospitality and infra sectors. With many a miles to walk and many a hands to hold, SNC moves ahead, bringing global construction quality into the manifolds of developmental construction of the country.
Ni sa ni sa re ma pa ni sa